Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss date functions. In this video, we will explore several SQL date functions. MySQL now function will return the current date and time. CurDate returns the current date. Date function extract the date part of a date. Extract function extracts a part from a given date. Part may be a minute, an hour, day, week, month, quarter, year, and so on. Date add function adds a time or date interval to a date and then returns the date. The interval may be a year, quarter, month, day of the year, day, week, weekday, etc. Dates of function subtract a time or a date interval from a date and returns the date. Date difference function returns the difference between two dates and the output will be in years. The date format function formats a date as specified. For example, percentage A abbreviated weekday name, that is Sunday to Saturday. Percentage B abbreviated month name, Jan to Dec. Percentage C is used for numeric month name 0 to 12. Percentage capital D will return date of the month as a numeric value such as first, second, third. Let us see practically how date function works. To see the current date, we have to write select CurDate. It will display today's date in the form YYYYMMDD pattern. If we want to increment current date by 5 days, we have to write CurDate plus 5. As you can see, 22 became 27. To select the date part from a date time, we have to write select date and within bracket we have to give the date and time. It will select only the date part. Select date 2021 8/22 07:13:33. In the output we will have only the date part. It is 2021 08 and 22. If we want to get the month, then we have to write select month from the same day. It will give 8 as output. To know the year of the same day, we have to write year and it will be 2021. To select the current date and time, we have to write select now. It will give the date as well as time. Select system date will give the system date and time. To get the day from a date and time, we have to write select extract day from, within single quote we have to give the date and time as day. It will extract the date part of a date and time. To extract the day and hour from a date and time, we have to write select extract day hour from date and time. as day hour, it will give 22, which is the date part, and 07, which is the hour part of the given date and time. To get the day and minute, we have to write select extract day underscore minute from day and time is day minute. It will give the output 22:07 13:22 is the day part, 07 is the hour part, and 13 is the minute part. We can also add a time or date interval to a date. For that we have to use date add function. Syntax is date add interval comma number comma date. Here we want to add 15 minutes. For that we have to write select date add. Within single quote we have to give the date and time comma interval 15 minutes. Previously it was 7:13. Now it became 7:28 after adding 15 minutes. We can also subtract hours, minutes or seconds. Select date add. Within single quote we have to write the date and time part comma interval -3 hour. Previously the hour part is 07. Now it became 04 after subtracting 3 hours from it. Date sub function subtract a time or date interval from a date. Select date sub. Within bracket we have to write the date and time comma interval 3 hour. It will subtract 3 hours from 7. Instead of hour we can subtract minute also. Select dates of. Within single quote you have to give the date and time interval -30 minute. It will subtract 30 minutes from the minute part of the date and time. In the given date and time, the minute part was 53. After subtracting 30 minutes, the output will be 23. DateDiff function will return the number of days between two date values. Select DateDiff within bracket 2021 08 22 comma 2022 08 22 will give -365 because it will subtract the second date from first one. If simply we will change the order, select DateDiff 2022 comma 2021, it will give 365. Select date format within single quote 2022 08 22 comma %y. It will give year as a numeric 4-digit value. In this case it will give 2022. Select date format. If we will write %m, it will give month name in full, January to December. If we will write small m, it will give month name as numeric. %d will give day of the month as a numeric value as 22nd. If we will write % capital M and percentage small d, it will give month name in full, that is August. Day of the month as a numeric value. In our case it is 22, as we have written percentage small d. Select date format 2022 August 22 741 colon 42. If we write percentage capital H and percentage I, it will give the hour part and minute part both in numeric. In our case it is 741. There are so many formats used in date format. We can use one or a combination. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.